Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You sign in to SSMS and immediately verify SQL Server Agent is running. This is essential. Once done, inspect the database recovery model and set it to full if you need point-in-time recovery. Next, create a backup folder on a dedicated drive and grant SQL Server Service account right permissions, then configure a backup device or specify the back path. Now you have prerequisites met and a ready target. Proceed to author the actual backup job in SQL Server Agent. You create a SQL Server Agent job, add a step that runs TSQL backup commands, or leverage the maintenance plan wizard, either works. For backups, schedule a full backup weekly, differential backups daily, and transaction log backups every 15 to 60 minutes for height change databases. Make sure to enable compression if available and include checksum to detect corruption. Also set retention and rotate files by date or using a cleanup job. These choices directly affect restore time and storage costs, so plan accordingly. You finalize by testing restores. Run restore verifiantly and perform periodic full restores to a test instance to confirm reliability. Once tests pass, enable job notifications and set an operator to receive failure alerts so you know if a backup fails. Make sure to document the schedule, file locations, retention policy, and recovery steps for your team. If a job fails, first check SQL Server Agent logs, permissions on the backup path, and disk space. Those are the most common causes to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.